Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an Arc dynamic link library error, often associated with is-done dynamic link library error. So thank you for the answer.microsoft.com provide us this article, and a user give us the solution, the method to fix these issues. So here, the is-done.dll and an Unarc.Dll in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of a PC games, as well as program of large size, and which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. And this eat up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM and hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here, there are some methods, but mainly I use this method to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. Let's try by hold Windows key and R key button in order open run box. And here you can open system properties by type sysdm.cpl. Now click hit enter and click advanced. Click performance settings, then click again advanced and click virtual memory change. Here you can untick this box in order manually manage paging file size for all drives. Click custom size on the C or D. Now let's start with the C. You can fill initial size by 400 and maximum size about 3000. So after that you can set and restart your PC or laptop, then you can reinstall the game. If it is right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.